Welcome. In front of me is a OnePlus 7 Pro, and I will show you how to enable the Do Not Disturb mode. And the quickest way to do it is probably to pull down the notification, so just drag your finger like so till you get the notification bar. Pull it one more to extend all the apps that are here, and you will see the Do Not Disturb, so you can either tap it and enable it by default however it's set, or hold it to go into settings, like so. And now you're in settings where you can customize it to however you would like it to work. And as an example, behavior, you have different behaviors here. No visual or sound from notifications. Also set a custom one. So basically whenever you get receive the notification, it will not do anything basically. If you select this one, don't turn on and don't wake up notification. You can select each one of them however you like. Going back, have also calls, how they're being affected by the Do Not Disturb mode. So allow calls, and you have options here from anyone, from contacts, from none, or I guess stared contacts is probably a favorite. I'm gonna actually check. Let's add a phone number just to add contact, create new contact, phone. Let's go test, and probably not call it because there's no SIM card. I don't really see an app, like how it's called. Oh well, let's assume that it is just the stared contact is probably a favorite one, just a weird way of calling it. So you have basically these options. Yep, so that was way easier to find. It's basically favorites. As you can see, stared contacts, and here it's called favorite. Kind of confusing, I guess. So yeah, that's for calls. Then you have also for messages, same thing. Stared, contact, and any or none. And allow reminders, allow events. Events would be however you set up, and schedule, duration. So you have an option of turning it on. Basically you can set it up until you turn it off. So whenever you now enable it, it will be on as it is right now. And you can actually set it up from here as well, however long you want it to be on for. Or you can do it here as well and set up more permanently. So that's one. And then you have the automatic one, which is probably the most convenient one, which let's add a new one. It's time. Let's call it, let's say, sleep, for instance, if you're going to sleep and you don't want to be interrupted. And then you have the option to set it up basically any day. For instance, Monday through Friday, whenever you're going to sleep and you don't want to be interrupted. Then start time, 10 p.m. seems good enough. End time, 7 a.m. seems also good enough. And alarm only over end time. So basically what it will do is whenever you have an alarm set, for instance, to wake up, it will still go through the Do Not Disturb mode, even though it's enabled, which usually it would not. So you can check that off so you can actually wake up in the morning. And from there, it basically will now automatically turn on Monday through Friday at 10 p.m. till 7 a.m. by itself. And yeah, so that's probably the best way to set it up. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thank you for watching.